Good morning to you all children. So this is your science class, and in this science class we are going to solve the concept sheet, and the topic is bird, feathers, beak and claws. So here some of the birds are here, and in the first one what we do, write the name of the birds and food they look like to eat. Yes. So recognize this children? Okay, good. This is a parrot. So you write here parrot. Okay. And what parrot like to eat? Yes. Chilies, green chilies. Okay. So you write here chilies. Next is eagle. This is children eagle. Okay. So you write here eagle. And food, yes, insects, then rodents. Okay, because you know that eagle, they eat the insects, and the rabbits, small rabbits, then rats, everything. Okay. Now here is the third one, and this is woodpecker. Okay, so you write here woodpecker. Okay, and they eat insects. Okay, they eat insects. INS. Again I am writing children woodpecker and insects. Okay. Number 4th is the pigeon. Okay, this is a pigeon. So you write here pigeon, and they like to eat children pulses, grains, okay, and many more. Okay. So next here is the label the body parts of the bird. Use the options given below. So children, this is a sparrow, and you have to label all the parts of the bird. So this is a beak. Okay, beak, then crown. Okay, next is throat. Okay, so label this bird. Match the birds with the food they eat. Okay, so which food manna like to eat children? Yes, seeds, crane, fish, woodpecker sits living in a tree trunk. Okay, so rest you do yourself. Now come to fill in the blanks. Dash is India's national bird. So which is the India's national bird? Okay children, peacock, P-A-C-O-C-K. Okay, peacock. Birds use their wings to fly, W-I-N-G-S, wings, to fly, and beak to eat and drink. Okay, so C and D you do yourself children. Now this is all for today children. I hope you understood the concept sheet. In our next class children, we will solve next concept sheet. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.